How to cook chicken Alexander. Hello everybody, my name is James Howe and this is Chef at Home. And today we're having a look at another of my favourite springtime dishes. So let's dive right in and get going. Okay, so this dish is very simple and doesn't require a whole lot of prep. So I've got myself one chicken breast here. I'm going to whip off that mini fillet and slice very fine little medallions off the breast. And then the mini fillet just lengthways at a slight angle to create a very similar shape. And that can just be put to one side for a few minutes. And then we need some asparagus. It's around about half a dozen stalks per portion. You just need to make sure you've got the wood off the bottom. So if you tap along you can hear it. There. It's got that quieter noise. And that removes the wood. Then from there just slice each one in half at a little angle to get these lovely spears. And the last little bit, it's not even really a prep job, just empty some peas into a tub. I've also got going in this dish some lovely dried rigatoni and a lemon. There's a couple of other bits for the sauce, but you'll see as we go. And that, prep wise, is it. Alright, so this dish is just 2 pans, so it's still quite nice and simple. At the back I've got a pan of water just coming up to the boil, a little bit of salt. I'm just going to dunk my rigatoni in there. So that takes round about 12 minutes. So while that's coming together, splash of oil into this saute pan here, medium heat. And when that oil's hot, I'm just going to fold in our chicken. I'm just going to allow that to saute for about 3-4 minutes. Now there are 1,000,001 versions of this dish. I do a couple of different variations on different menus that I do for dinner parties. So what that suggests is that there's a lot of room to embellish. As long as you've got the core principles of chicken and asparagus, you've got the basis of a chicken Alexander. What I like about doing it this way, it's less formal, it's less for a dinner party, it's more just for putting together for your tea in an evening. Right, into this chicken we're going to fold in our asparagus. That's only going to take a couple of minutes itself. And our peas. And about a teaspoon's worth of garlic puree. Good knob of butter. Of course I put a bit of butter in it, it's bloody me innit? And then the juice of about half a lemon. And then we're just going to marry that all together with a splash of double cream. And about half a cupful of white wine. Now just have a look at this pasta. Yeah, absolutely spot on. Just in time for the chicken to be cooked. I'll just drain that through a colander quickly. So I've still got a little bit of the pasta water in there. I'm going to fold that through my chicken cream mix here. So we're just glazing the pasta. We've not got a thick gloopy sauce or anything like that. It's just a lovely kiss of cream. So I'm just going to finish this off with a touch of salt and pepper, and as easy as that, we're going to serve. There isn't really much I can do or say with this one. It's just a very, very simple, almost an all-in-one job. Just for the obligatory bit of chefy bollocks, I've got some chopped parsley in the fridge left over from something else. Why the hell not? With a little drizzle of truffle oil. For now I'm just making it up as I go along. But coming back to what I was saying earlier, there's so many different variations and you can go 1,000,001 directions with it. But as a basic dish, it's either something a little bit different for your tea, absolute winner. And that is why it's one of my absolute favourite dishes, because it's such a crowd pleaser. And it takes hardly any effort to put together. So go and have a crack at it. Let me know what you think and I will see you next time.